is this underwater?
Don't care.
I love this song.
Santana, Starkey.
Boy, what the fuck? Oh hell. Nigga, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say about this shit. Bro. Who the fuck co-signed this bullshit? Cause man. Nigga, hold on. She doing this with citizens in the background? Ain't no way. Nigga, there's people in the background, bro. What the fuck? How could she even feel confident enough to put this type of bullshit out with people watching this shit?
Santana, Starkey.
The fuck was that? What the boy? Boy, if you don't get so stupid. Hey, listen to me. Stop making music. You feel what I'm saying? It's as simple as that. Stop making music. Now go ahead and sign off, my nigga. Go ahead and sign off, nigga. It was funny, but now I'm actually mad, nigga. Why did y'all tell me to look this shit up? Cause this shit not it, bro. This might be the weakest shit I've heard in my entire life. I'm just disappointed that the people in her circle allowed her to get on the social media platforms and release this shit. Because nigga, ain't no way, bruh. If somebody truly loves you, they will not allow you to put this shit out. Real shit. What? Nigga, what is that ad lib? That shit ass, nigga. This shit is. So I was having a good ass day. You know what I'm saying? I was having a good ass day. And then this evil fucking spirit, you feel me, is ruining this shit.
Bitch, we not the same. Come to the club, I start making it rain like bitch, can't do what I do. Walk in the mall, you get mighty confused. Bitch, you number two. I'm at the front making sure that you lose. If I'm a dog, then I'm chasing no goose. And I'm big lord like no Timbuktu. Bitch, we not the same. Come to the club, I start making it rain like bitch, can't do what I do. Walk in the mall, you get mighty confused. Bitch, you number two. I'm at the front making sure that you lose. If I'm a dog, then I'm chasing no goose. And I'm big lord like no Timbuktu. Walk in the club, I start acting.
I'm Big Lord Lynn, no Timbuktu. Boy, go ahead and sign the fuck off my shit. Cause you done lowered my fucking vibration at this point. I don't know what the fuck you on. You on bullshit, that's what. What is he talking about? You on bullshit. Who is allowing this She look crazy as hell. Y'all see this shit? Who the fuck is this? That's a nigga.
Girl, that's just
Bitch, I got a back. Eminem's phone straight out of my hat. Beat a bitch up like it's Mac. Take your man's money, then give it him back. Bitch, I got a back. Broke little bitch, so dumb, so sad. But you got bitch, I already had. I'ma flex on that bitch, cause it's getting them mad. Turn up on a bitch, give a fuck by the time more places they getting it popping.
Yeah.
Stop it. We know you selling your pussy, we know that you thoughtin'. Bitch,
Yeah.
stop, can't tell no time, but fuck that shit.
Okay.
Bitch, I stay ballin'.
Yeah.
Callin'. Labels, they all on my line, tell them send a deposit. Times they dance like, ooh. If I run up, go puke. Cooking up bitch like she stew. How you hate on a bitch, then go do what I do. He eat it all like it's a food. Had heard about me, I don't know about you. We playing your ass like a fluke. Hit a lick in the line and take off in the coop.
Time to fuck off my shit. Don't wanna hear you ever again. Your shit so damn ass. I know that your ass don't got no friends. This shit ass as fuck. Get the fuck out of here. This shit weak. Nigga thought I was fucking with it. No, sir. Ending the video right here on that note. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And make sure y'all get to that money. That's all I give a fuck about. As long as y'all getting that money. Fuck me. Peace.